Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a groundbreaking revelation that has sent shockwaves through the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we delve into a crucial discovery that researchers have unveiled: a new method capable of hacking into any AI model, including the highly advanced GPT-4 and Bard. This is not just another tech story, it's a critical update that could redefine the landscape of AI security. Let's unravel the details together. Segment 1. The discovery unveiled. Our journey begins with the groundbreaking discovery that has set the tech community abuzz. Researchers have unearthed a method to breach the security of any AI model. Regardless of its complexity, the implications of this finding are profound, shaking the foundations of artificial intelligence as we know it. This isn't just a vulnerability, it's a potential game changer in the realm of digital security. In recent days, researchers have uncovered a method that can penetrate the defenses of even the most advanced AI models, posing a significant threat to the security of artificial intelligence systems worldwide. This revelation challenges our assumptions about the robustness of AI and raises important questions about the future of digital security. Segment 2. Understanding the vulnerability. To comprehend the gravity of this situation, we need to delve into the specifics of the newfound vulnerability. The researchers discovered a flaw in the core architecture of AI models, allowing unauthorized access and manipulation. This flaw exists at a fundamental level, making it applicable across a spectrum of AI systems, including the highly acclaimed GPT-4 and Bard. Now, let's break down the technical aspects of this discovery. The vulnerability at the heart of this discovery stems from a flaw in the core architecture of AI models. This flaw, once exploited, grants unauthorized access to the internal structures of the AI. The implications are staggering, as it opens the door to potential manipulation and misuse of these powerful systems. As we explore the technical intricacies, it becomes evident that this is not a minor glitch but a significant security loophole that demands immediate attention. Segment 3. The technical breakdown. The method involves exploiting a previously overlooked aspect of the training process in AI models. By injecting specific types of manipulated data during the training phase, researchers found a way to compromise the internal structures of the AI. This manipulation, while subtle, creates a backdoor that can be exploited later, allowing unauthorized access and control. It's a nuanced attack that takes advantage of the intricacies of machine learning algorithms. Let's delve deeper into the technical breakdown of this method. During the training process of AI models, researchers discovered that specific types of manipulated data could be injected, creating a subtle but powerful vulnerability. This manipulation forms a backdoor that remains hidden until activated, providing unauthorized access and control over the AI. The subtlety of this attack underscores the sophistication of the exploit, challenging the very foundations of AI security. Segment 4. Implications for GPT-4 and Bard. Now, let's address a question on many minds. How does this vulnerability impact advanced AI models like GPT-4 and Bard? These models, renowned for their sophistication, are not immune. The very complexity that makes them powerful also makes them susceptible to this newfound exploit. It's a stark reminder that as AI evolves, so do the risks. Even cutting-edge models are not invincible, and this discovery underscores the need for continuous vigilance in the ever-changing landscape of technology. The implications for advanced AI models, including the highly acclaimed GPT-4 and Bard, are profound. Despite their sophistication, these models are not immune to the newfound vulnerability. The very complexity that makes them powerful becomes a double-edged sword, as it introduces potential points of exploitation. This revelation challenges the assumption that advanced AI models are impervious to security threats and calls for a reassessment of our approach to securing these systems. Segment 5. Potential consequences. Understanding the potential consequences of this vulnerability is crucial. The unauthorized access to AI models opens the door to a range of nefarious activities, from data theft to manipulating AI-generated content. The consequences could be far-reaching. Imagine a world where the very foundation of digital trust is compromised. It's a chilling scenario, and one that prompts us to reevaluate the balance between technological advancements and security measures. The potential consequences of unauthorized access to AI models are staggering. Beyond the immediate threat of data theft, there's the alarming prospect of manipulating AI-generated content. Imagine a scenario where the information generated by AI, which many rely on for its accuracy, can be altered for malicious purposes. The very fabric of digital trust is at stake, highlighting the urgent need to address and mitigate the potential fallout from this newfound vulnerability. Segment 6. Protecting your systems. In the wake of this discovery, the question becomes, how can we protect our AI systems from such exploits? As developers, tech enthusiasts, and users, it's imperative to implement robust security measures. This includes not only addressing the immediate vulnerability but also establishing a comprehensive security framework that anticipates and guards against potential future threats. The responsibility falls on all stakeholders to ensure the integrity of AI systems in an increasingly interconnected world. Protecting our AI systems from potential exploits requires a multifaceted approach. Developers must take immediate action to address the discovered vulnerability, implementing patches and updates to fortify the security of existing AI models. Simultaneously, the industry needs to establish a comprehensive security framework that goes beyond quick fixes. Anticipating and guarding against potential future threats is crucial in this rapidly evolving technological landscape. The responsibility falls not only on developers but on the entire ecosystem of users, organizations, and policymakers to collectively ensure the integrity of AI systems. Segment 7. Defending against evolving threats. As technology evolves, so do the threats. The pace of innovation in AI is remarkable, but it comes with the challenge of staying one step ahead of those seeking to exploit vulnerabilities. Defending against evolving threats requires a collaborative effort between researchers, developers, and the wider tech community. This is a call to action, urging us to collectively fortify the foundations of artificial intelligence. Defending against evolving threats is an ongoing challenge that necessitates a collaborative effort. The rapid pace of innovation in AI introduces new possibilities but also potential vulnerabilities. Researchers, developers, and the wider tech community must come together to share insights, discoveries, and solutions. This is a call to action for a united front against those seeking to exploit weaknesses in AI systems. By collectively fortifying the foundations of artificial intelligence, we can create a more resilient and secure digital future. Segment 8. The future of AI security. What does this discovery mean for the future of AI security? It signals a paradigm shift, necessitating a re-evaluation of how we approach and safeguard our AI systems. Developers will need to integrate more robust security measures into their models, and the industry as a whole must prioritize ongoing research and development to stay ahead of emerging threats. The future of AI security rests on our ability to adapt and innovate in the face of an ever-evolving digital landscape. The discovery of this vulnerability marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of AI security. It signals a need for a paradigm shift in our approach to safeguarding AI systems. Developers must not only address the current vulnerability but also integrate more robust security measures into the very fabric of AI models. The industry, as a whole, must prioritize ongoing research and development to stay ahead of emerging threats. The future of AI security hinges on our collective ability to adapt, innovate, and establish a new standard for the resilience of these technologies in the face of an ever-evolving digital landscape. Segment 9. Transparency and accountability. In the wake of this revelation, there is a growing call for transparency and accountability in the development and deployment of AI models. Understanding the inner workings of these systems is not just a matter of security but also an ethical imperative. Users and the wider public deserve to be informed about the technologies that increasingly shape our digital interactions. This transparency fosters trust and empowers us to make informed decisions about the technologies we embrace. The newfound vulnerability in AI models raises not only security concerns but also ethical considerations. In response to this revelation, there is a growing call for transparency and accountability in the development, and deployment of AI models, users and the wider public have a right to understand the inner workings of the technologies that influence their digital interactions. Transparency not only fosters trust but also empowers individuals to make informed decisions about the technologies they choose to embrace. It is an ethical imperative that must be prioritized as we navigate the complex intersection of technology and society. Segment 10. Conclusion. In conclusion, the discovery of a new method to hack any AI model, including GPT-4 and Bard, is a watershed moment in the field of artificial intelligence. It challenges our assumptions about the invincibility of advanced AI systems and underscores the need for constant vigilance in the face of evolving threats. As we navigate this uncharted territory, let us collectively work towards a future where innovation and security go hand in hand. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and together, let's shape a resilient future for artificial intelligence. As we wrap up this exploration into the discovery of a new method to hack AI models, it's clear that we stand at a pivotal moment in the field of artificial intelligence. This revelation challenges our assumptions, emphasizing that even the most advanced AI systems are not invincible. The path forward requires constant vigilance, collaboration, and a commitment to innovation and security going hand in hand. As we navigate this uncharted territory, let us collectively work towards a future where the potential of AI is realized without compromising security. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and together, let's shape a resilient future for artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the latest breakthrough in AI security. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the ever-evolving world of technology. Until next time, stay curious, stay secure, and keep exploring the possibilities of our digital future.